This is probably the weirdest angle I think I've ever filmed a video from. But hey guys, we're gonna just turn up the lights. So the Wi-Fi's not working right now, so I was thinking to myself, what better time than to film a video? And that do be what we are going to do. Today, we will be making a smoothie because why not? Get ready for the most amazing smoothie video you've probably ever seen. I don't think anybody makes smoothie videos, but if they did, this would be the best. Yeah. Got the goods. Okay. Now we gotta switch this angle because you have no idea what I'm doing. And that's not how you learn how to make a smoothie. That's how you watch someone make a smoothie. And we're not about to watch someone make a smoothie. We're gonna make a smoothie and learn how to do it. So now that I realize that this is the only angle, we're gonna do it like this. So don't judge me for my choice in what I put in my smoothie, because it's always good every time. Pineapple chunks, frozen blueberries, frozen strawberries. I almost forgot the most important part. Vanilla. Oh. I guess we're doing it from this angle now. And cashew milk. It matches. Look at this aesthetic. Okay. So I have a ninja.
You're a ninja? Get out of here. You're a ninja. Yes.
But you can use your choice of blenders if you so desire to make this. I do have weird tastes in things, so I can't promise you'll like it, but if you like my stuff that I like, then you'll like it. Okay, so step one, you need a blender cup or just like the bottom of a blender if you're using a normal blender, but I don't have one of those. So I also forgot half of the ingredients that I just now remembered. So keep on forgetting everything. What is up with that? Okay. Blender cup again. Okay. To take some blueberries first because they're small, so they're easy to crush up once you get to that part. About yay much in here. And then you're gonna take some frozen strawberries. I put about yay much in there. And then while you're just randomly standing here, you have to eat some frozen blueberries. Then you're gonna take your pineapples. And I put about yay much in there. See how it's like full, and we still need to put an overripe banana in there? Why are you laughing? I do be funny. We're gonna take some vanilla. Don't mind that we don't have a banana in there yet. And I put about yay much in there. I know it's a lot. Don't come for me. By the way, this is unsweetened. You can use sweetened. You can use sweetened if you want, or like vanilla flavored or something, instead of putting like pounds of vanilla in there. Wow, that's a lot. I don't usually put that much, but we're just gonna roll with it. And now, because I'm pretending I'm healthy by making a smoothie, why not just go all the way and pretend you're even more healthier than you are? And we're just gonna put some chia seeds in there. That's enough. That's enough. And then we're gonna put some hen parts in there because they are apparently, they do something, some healthy thing. I don't know. I don't know. You're gonna try and get the lid on, but you probably won't be able to, so you kind of have to like look like an idiot for a few minutes. And then you're gonna realize that you have too many pineapples in there. This literally happens every time. I'm not even over-exaggerating. You're gonna take a pineapple out put it on the thing. And you're going to try some more to get it on. And you're going to be like, beautiful. Okay, now that that's done, like, shake it down. Put your pineapple in there. Mix it all kind of in there. Taste test. I don't know what I'm missing, but I'm missing something. But that's okay. Banana. You can only put one piece in because it's so full. You're going to get a jar. And you're going to scoop some of it out so you can get the whole banana in there. You know what I'm saying? Yes, yes. Okay. Then you're going to put the banana in there. And then, you know, throw in some more vanilla because it only makes sense. And then you're going to do the same lid situation that happened the last time you tried to put the lid on. And then it's going to go on. Okay. This didn't fit in there, so. Yum. And now, you done did have a smoothie. If I ever did see one, wife me up. I made a smoothie. Thanks for watching. That's all, folks. I have to put all of this away. Toodles.